You're recording. You're recording.
Hi, my love.
Hey, beautiful.
Woo.
Hey, guapita.
Woo. Oh, very nice in here. Casa Mira's house.
Come here, boy.
Woo. Woo. Come on, love. You can do it. Do it. Do it. Woo. Woo. You can do it. Come on. Woo. Wow. Whoa. Woo. That's my love. That's my love. Woo. Almost. That's my love. Oh. Great job, love. Woo.
A little bit of water up my nose.
Yes.
Oh, feels so nice. Look at sweet. She's so little. Oh, little Brittany. So little. Thank you. Thank you. That's good. Sweet turn. Oh, snap. Oh, nice dive. Goes very deep when you go in like that. Ellie can't come in.
No, the water is not. Oh my gosh.
Oh,
good.
for the kids.
It's
The kids
clear.
side though. The kids side.
Take a look at love. The kids are very dirty.
No, love, they just cleaned it for 3 days. Remember?
But remember last night? Oh, lots of people coming.
Yeah. Well, I also see her stick everything in her mouth, and that can't be good. So a little bit of pool water is probably good for her. She licks the bus seat, love. I'm pretty sure a little bit of chlorinated water will be good for her. Oh, where's Sweet going? She okay?
Oh, yeah, there.
Oh, CR?
Yeah. Jeros. Oh, no.
It's no hot tub in Ilo, but it'll work.
Yeah.
It's no top of the hotel in Ilo pool, but it's okay. I still like Casa Mira.
Yes, me too.
Even if your mom moves and just before December,
yes,
I still like to come here. There's a lot of memories, right? Thank you. She's back. She is back.
Come on, Ronda Rousey.
Yeah, she's a good diver, see?
Yes, love. Because our place there in Toledo is very near from the sea, so that's why.
Oh,
yeah,
wow.
like to practice.
Oh, wow.
Love.
Love, you know
Done?
this?
3 minutes?
Oh. You know this?
What's that?
When you do like a frog, watch me.
Ah, okay. Oh. Wow.
You know that one? You practiced that before? Very good chest and back workout.
Daily with day.
Good for your 2 toys. You're welcome. Salamat po.
Jai! Hello, Jai! Jai!
In she goes. Down she goes. There she goes. Back
Come on,
up.
Jai!
Back up. Wow, she can hold her breath pretty good for a little girl.
Yes.
Yeah.
Wow.
Very good lungs.
Oh.
Oh, is Angel prepared to go in the pool? Is she prepared to go in the pool?
Angel, come here, Lily. Okay, I say in there.
Oh, she doesn't want to get darker? It's okay.
Uncle, you're better.
You're better, Uncle.
Yes.
Oh.
So nice.
Is it dough? Is it my dough? How do you say brothers? Dough?
Dong.
Dong. Yeah, dong and da.
Dai.
Dai. Dai and dong. And then.
Dai sweet. Dong Jai.
Lahat ng mga bata.
Woo! Where?
Oh.
Whoa! Kids
The
pool.
baby pool.
Kids pool. Oh yeah. Oh.
Oh, love. Looks like it's coming undone. I'm being very serious.
What is that, love?
Oh, okay. This is coming undone. Oh, let me see the other side. Oh, there is no other side. Maybe it's not coming undone, love. Okay. Okay, sorry. Off the line. I guess another tooth are popping out. But it's not coming undone, I don't think.
Get that pa kayo ng ano mga ano.
It's not that kind of a pool.
Okay, now, love.
Family
7
friendly.
minutes. And then another.
What? Oh, you ready? You ready to do some basketball?